In this video, we look at how to choose the best floor plan. That's coming right up.
Welcome to Home Buyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl Ye and welcome to another Home Buyers School video, a channel where you get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips from home buying experts. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies from the experts, make sure to hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. Today I'm joined by Corey McDonald, Community Manager with Brookfield Residential. And the question we're going to answer today is, how do I choose the best home or floor plan?
Each person is going to have their own requirements for what they need in a brand new home. So I would say before having a look at what homes are out there, be knowledgeable about what you're looking for in a home. Do you need an office space? Are you looking for a great big entertaining area because you want your friends to come over every Sunday to watch football? Do you spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and how important is that to you? So instead of just marching out and having a look at what's available, maybe take a couple of notes of what you really want to see in a brand new home. With that being said, sometimes it does take walking into the right home for you to get that aha moment. So taking your time to research different builders or different homes and taking the time to go through them. Look online. Sometimes photos do a good job of giving you an idea of what the space may look like. But again, once you're walking through the home, it might have that perfect fit. And some people might not know exactly what they're looking for until they actually step foot into that home. But again, I'd go back to making sure that the home that you're looking for, it has those, it ticks all those required boxes for what the lifestyle is you're trying to fulfill.
So when you're looking at the actual floor plan, is there anything specific? I know we talked about your lifestyle, but anything specific you need to really focus on when you're looking at the Now, for me, it's a little hard because the floor plan is obviously top down, so you don't really get the sense of what it looks like unless you actually walk through, right?
I deal with floor plans and blueprints on a daily basis, and still I can't get a good idea of what that home looks like until I'm walking through. So sometimes, again, photos and artist renderings do a good job of giving you a rough idea, but taking the time to, even during the construction process, have a look through what homes are available, and maybe even walking through, say, a framing stage, that might help out as well. So getting a sense of what works for you. I can't say things you should specifically be looking for, because what's important to me, you might not care about it all. So it really is a very individual and personal question. Just having that list of needs that you need to have met within your home.
Do you have any tips in terms of going through floor plans?
A lot of people put a big focus on kitchen and bathrooms. So a lot of builders will replicate that as well. People want to have the kitchen so when they're entertaining possibly, or having enough space for cooking or the right appliances for cooking, or even the most bathrooms for people is their sanctuary away from everybody else. It's where they're taking their showers, it's their personal time, their personal spa. So if those are important to you as well, having a look at the different features in both of those areas to make sure that they fit what you're looking for.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Corey.
You're welcome.
And the question I have for you is, how did you pick your floor plan when buying your last home? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Home Buyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.